made a comment that said, what exactly are you gonna do with the Donk? And then I thought about it. I didn't put anything as to why I bought the car. So the number one reason I bought this car is for consoles and back decks. Back decks don't really sell with me because I go by the amount of time, the amount of fabric, and the amount of detail that go into certain stuff. So when I do stuff like that, you're paying for the details and shipping and materials. So a lot of people think you can make this stuff with 2 hours time and you don't have to leave the house. But I can put all that stuff together. My fuel for driving to the store, glue, nails, all the different bits you gotta use, the spray gun, because I can't use the same one for so long. It's so much stuff that go into it, and I charge by the calculation of all that stuff. So that's the number one reason I bought this car, is to get some center consoles that can go up there for 2 and 4 doors. Now the only reason why I don't do the back consoles right now, which I can, but I don't because I don't have, everybody usually have factory seats. So if they have factory seats and I'm getting cars with no seats, or I have a car without factory seats, how can I make a back console that's gonna fit your car? A lot of people think that, oh, if you good, you can go off pictures. It's damn near impossible to make a console for a car without having a car. Like, a lot of people don't understand that. I mean, I can make you you give me some measurements, I can make you a square console that's guaranteed to fit. But if you want it to be contoured, fit to the shape of the car 100% and be great, just gonna need the car. It's like no ifs, ands, or buts. Another reason is, well, I already have it here for consoles. I can like literally just take my little time and pick parts here and there and literally make all of my money back before this car even leaves. A lot of these parts are already claimed, but I still have schoolwork and stuff that I'm doing. That's why I ain't been uploading, and I ain't back full time. I'm just back to sell some parts, but I ain't in no rush. This car, I probably, like I said, I'm trying to have it apart by Friday, and then it's gonna be gone. Don't know where, but it's gonna be gone. But we'll see, because I got stuff going on, construction, and I need the space. I need this stuff gone. But yeah, like I said, my number one reason, one console, and I got my money back for this car, literally. One of my cheapest, absolute cheapest consoles. I'm not doing those square box consoles for this car. You know what? I still will, because, I mean, they pay for itself, because not everybody got the same budget. Yeah, like I said, number one reason was really consoles. So, got this here spare tire, and I thought that I could just bolt it up, and nope, that's not gonna be possible. That thing got leaks everywhere, seal is rusted, and the tire got a plug, cracks, and everything. So hopefully I can bolt this one up. This whole tire, rim and tire combo is trash. So I'll stick that in the back of the truck. Drop that off at the dump when I go. But I'm gonna check the bolt pattern on this. Hopefully I can just put that on. Put this in the trash. Trash where it belongs. All right, now that's done. Let's go get this bolt pattern tool. We can measure and see if this wheel right here is a 5x5. If it is, we can just bolt it up, and then we could roll that car off just from the size, how small it is. Ain't no 5x5. Yeah, 4.5. That's the size. So this is what I need it to be. This big, 5x5. Way too small. So yeah, we're gonna take the tire off that. Get that other tire, put it on that, and then put that tire in the trash too. I actually believe that the guy told me where I bought the trailer from, which I might upload that video since I already showed the trailer. I believe he told me that this spare tire would be a Ford Ranger, and this rim just happened to look like it's a Ford Ranger. So I'm gonna jack it up real quick and see if this tire could fit on it. Voila, it fit. So guess I'll be keeping this and going to get me a 215 70-15. Usually that's the size of box Chevy tires, but you can use it as a towing tire, or you can get towing tire with high ply ratings. But what these is, these 205s, 205 75. So I'm gonna try to stay with the same height. 75 is the height, but that's good. At least I don't got to buy a spare tire. I can just find a tire, find them out, put it on. That's it. But bolt this back up real quick. Back, you ready to come down. I just have to take this upper door panel apart so I can be able to open this door, because this door didn't open. So I was gonna have to put the car front facing this way, and it's without it being the key, I wasn't gonna be able to turn it in position. So I just had to find a way to make this door open. So got that figured out. So now I can just put the car right here facing forward, which would be good, because if I sell a lot of parts, all I gotta do, pick it up front and then drop it off. But yeah, about to get my ramps down, start pushing this baby down, and get ready to mock up some consoles. All right, man. Ready to come down. So I'm gonna let it reel out a little bit, and then I'm gonna push the car down, and that's gonna be my technique on dropping it. What's up, man? Hey, it's about 8 hours later. Don't know what exactly, but I got my initial mock-up for the consoles. I know what I need to do from, I got a standard template for like GM cars, with and without the trans tunnel. So about to show y'all this one from afar for a GM car that I do. And it fit in here pretty nice, but I don't have the seat, so I'm waiting on my buddy to give me the measurements on how far I can go. But can't show y'all too close. That's gonna be one fit in there. All right, that's the cheap one. See, you don't got the trans hump. Like taking candy from a baby. This. I have all 4 of them styles done by 12 o'clock. All four. And I just make, can't give out too much detail. All you need to make 1 or 2 things to be able to literally duplicate it in mass with a whole sheet of wood. I got it down to the math on the wood. Like, I can't give out too much info, man. But y'all definitely see it. The consoles really be, once I get the shape, I only need to see the car. I've been shipping them, so like I try to ship 1 a week, and I've been shipping them, man. They been going. The simple ones, man, I don't need to take pictures of because it's like so plain. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start, but I ain't trying to ramble on. If y'all need some Donk parts from a 4-door, some trim, trunks, some panels, glass, hit me up, cause I ain't trying to have this here forever. I really was trying to make it for the console, so tomorrow I'll actually be done with the car. You know, back decks probably, if somebody tell me they're interested in the back deck, but the only thing I don't know is it's the same on the 2-door. So I ain't in too much of a rush on the back deck, but the console, I definitely needed that, definitely. But let me get to this lawnmower, fix this real quick. Wash this car, just a whole list of stuff to do. But SCS, man, I'm out.